Good afternoon, Rakesh. Welcome back to Clapingo. How are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, very clearly. What about you?
Yeah, I can also hear you. Thank you. Uh, am I? Yes, I am doing good. Thank you for asking. So, how about you? How are you?
I'm also fit and fine. Thanks for asking, Rakesh. So, yeah, I've noticed some difference. Have you lost weight?
No, no, no,
No.
no.
Okay. Previously,
Why?
when I saw you, I felt you were chubbier. Now I feel that you have lost weight. I'm just feeling it, maybe.
No, but I think it has been just 8 days, 8 or 10 days since when we talked last time. 10 days, I have. Yes. Oh, but yes, I started doing exercise. But yeah, it is not that much. It didn't give that much result, but still I'm doing.
Oh, that's great. So that's the reason you're looking toned up, maybe. That's why. Toned. It does exercise tones the body, maybe. That's why. So I was saying that you look all toned up because of the exercise. So that's really good. It's very nice.
Thank you.
So Rakesh, how was your day?
Day has been normal
Hmm.
as a regular routine, so it was a good hour. Like I can say, it was a good day.
Okay. Have you also had rains there in Gujarat?
No, no, no.
No
It is not.
rains.
Yesterday it seemed like it could be raining, but it was not.
Okay. Here we had pretty good rains a couple of days ago, due to which the temperature has reduced and the climate is pleasant.
Uh-huh. Yesterday, I think in UP and Rajasthan they had rain. Yes.
Correct. Yeah, it had drizzled. Yes.
Yeah.
So Rakesh, yeah, did you go
So
through this?
overall, how means what is the temperature there? Is it cool now?
Yeah, it's okay. Now it's
Like
about 31. Yeah, 31, 32, and during the night it reduces. It goes to 25, 27. So it's pretty cool
oh,
during the night, and early in the morning it's cool.
hmm. Yes. Okay.
So
Okay. Good.
Rakesh, did you go through the session notes?
I don't know. Sorry, ma'am. But we can go. We can talk about. No problem. If I
Okay.
talk about that randomly, and I
Hmm.
think that would be good.
Talk about it randomly. Yeah, okay, fine. It's a very interesting topic. You just have to imagine yourself as a king. That's it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's a hypothetical situation. It's very interesting. We can discuss. Before that, I just wanted to tell you about the idioms that you can, or the phrases that you can use in your daily conversation. And one is very common. We use it, most of us use it. It is to live life king size. Have you heard about this
To
before?
live to live life king size.
Yes.
No, I have
Okay.
not.
I've heard many people using it, and even I use it. It means to have a
Okay.
luxurious way of living life. Like, for
Luxurious
example,
life.
yeah,
Okay.
luxurious life. Yes. Like, for example, we must have seen someone, maybe in a friend circle or in a family, they would be living their life king size. That means they are having a luxurious way of life. Okay.
Okay.
And
Mm.
even the next phrase is very common, receiving royal treatment. Have you heard about that?
Receiving royal treatment.
Yes.
Uh, no, but I have not heard though. But it seems like similar as
Mm.
getting good service or
Yeah. Excellent. Yeah, excellent. Yeah, you got it. That's right. So it's the same. Like sometimes we give royal treatment to our pets. Do you have any pet?
yes, I have pitbull,
Mhm.
bulldog.
Pitbull. Wow, that's good. It- When I have a dog, it looks like a pit bull, but it's not a pit bull. It's a combination, it's a mixed breed.
Okay. We have
Hmm.
pitbull. Yes,
Okay.
American bulldog. Yeah.
Oh, so does he bite
Mm.
anyone?
No, no, no. It has the training has been given. to him,
Mm,
so he knows everyone, and even some strangers come, so he just imagine or like observe the situation, and after that he
mm.
does. So he is
Oh,
trained. Yes, yes, he is
that,
wise and trained. Yes.
that's
So
good.
if
That's good.
someone comes, so he just observe. He just observes like someone, a stranger has come, so he just observes, and
Mm,
accordingly, if someone
mm.
is talking to me or with my family members, so he just observe, and after that, if he is or she is familiar to us, so then he does not do anything. And if
Oh,
it is stranger to him, then he start barking.
okay, that's nice. Yeah.
He is
So,
trained.
hmm. So when we pamper someone, we can use this phrase that we are pampering them with royal treatment. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now let's go to the discussion. So imagine if you are a king of a particular place. Okay. So which place is it that you would like to rule? Any particular place that you have in your mind?
I have not thought about that. Any
Imagine.
particular place, but if instead of place, if I would be a king of anywhere, or if I think myself as a king, so I would like to change in education so that people can be a better version of themselves.
Hmm.
If I change certain things in education or rules, so it would be great for people where I am ruling, or where I have been ruling.
Okay, so you'd
So
like to
I
be the
want
king of education, right?
uh, not king of education, but certain changes. I can be,
Hmm.
means I have not thought of any particular place I would be a king, because since the question is about just imagination,
Hmm.
that is why I
Correct.
have not just, I can't tell you means any particular name. I can't give you any particular name like Gujarat or Maharashtra or anywhere, or
Hmm.
if I talk about abroad, Pakistan or anywhere. I don't think like that. But if as a king I have to make changes, or I have to give certain changes, so in education give, I would make certain changes so that people can be better version of themselves. That is what I wanted to share.
Oh, I see. So you mainly want to look at the rules and regulations, take care of the rules and
Yes,
regulations. Okay.
it could be like rules and regulation, in someone violence of like any rules, so he will be punished. He or she will be punished. So
Oh,
accordingly, it would be.
oh, that's a very nice thought, Rakesh, because you're not imagining yourself to be like the kings and queens in the past and who want a palace and sit in a palace and rule people. Nothing like that. You want to do something for the welfare of of the world, the place where you're living in. So that's really nice. A wonderful thought. Okay.
Thank you.
And yeah. So as you were talking
Ma'am,
about,
same question.
hmm.
If I ask same question to you, then what would be the answer?
Okay, I would actually imagine myself to be the queen of the land of animals, and I would love to have all the animals and birds with me, and I would ensure that people take care of them, and I also would take care of them, though I am the queen, because I just love them and I'm fond of animals. So I have pets at home, and I love the animals on the street. So I would see that each and every animal are treated equally, whether they're big in size or small. And I don't want any animal starving. I don't want to see anyone having any kind of illness. That's what I think. And I
That
want
is
to take care of the whole world, the animals in the whole world. I wish I could do that.
hmm, there should, yeah. I think that is also a good thought. You also means want to treat them as equally as us. That is
Yeah.
also a good thought. And someone, if he feels distressed or something like that, so when we approach them or near to them, when we go near them, so directly we forget everything. Like
Yes.
I have also a pet. Sometimes I play with him, so I forget my space, or I
Yes.
miss it. gets away or
Correct.
fades away.
Yeah, that's why I've read in newspaper that in some country, I don't remember which country, animals
Mm-hmm.
were allowed in their offices. They could carry the dogs to office to remove the stress.
Mm-hmm.
And when we work from home, it's really good because at home we have our pets and it's really good. But have you got an
Mm-hmm.
opportunity to work from home ever?
No, ma'am.
No.
No. I didn't
Okay.
get that opportunity even in lockdown. Although once it means it was holiday during lockdown
Mhm.
because I was also under lockdown. But once in a week I had to go to my field also to see certain things. Is it
Mhm.
going okay or not? Is it going good or not? So it was
Mhm.
like once in a week I had to go to see
Hmm.
after them was it okay or not.
Okay, I see. So I think we have discussed anything, every most of the things required on this particular topic, Rakesh. So now, can I give you your feedback?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. Please go on.
Okay. Yeah. So Rakesh, your sentences are good. You clearly imagined. You were very clear about what you wanted, and your imagination is really good, and the vocabulary is good. The sentences are good. There was no error in tenses and pronunciation. Everything was fine. Okay. Just one sentence that you frame. I go to office to see after them. So it'll be to look after them.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yes. Look after
That's the
them.
only one correction. That's the only one sentence correction. Rest everything was fine, superb. Continue. I see that with a lot of practice. As this was your session number, I think 99 or something.
I don't actually. Okay, I didn't see this. What is the
You didn't.
number of this? Yes, I didn't see.
Yeah.
But, I
Okay.
prefer just talking randomly because once I know about topic, so I will not be like that comfortable or get comfortness.
Hmm.
That is why I don't see. I just prefer to talk randomly. I
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, but I checked.
I
It
just
was your
feel like
99th session.
okay. Thank you. Yes.
That's the reason you have that flawless English, and it's very good. Continue with that. Yeah, the practice will definitely improve, and you are gaining a lot of knowledge, like the idioms, new idioms that you're learning, new vocabulary. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, these are very helpful. From this vocabulary also, you can learn one or two new words which you can use in your daily life. Like you can use the
Yes.
word invincible. Have you heard about invincible?
Invincible or in
Hmm. Not
could you give
invisible.
me say? Okay.
Yeah. Invincible. Invisible. There's a song, English song, by a singer named Sia. Okay. In her song, she uses this word. So it's very common. Like I'm invincible. That means no one can defeat me. It's impossible
Okay.
to defeat
Invincible.
me. Yeah.
Oh.
So Rakesh, are you
Mhm.
invincible?
Uh, in my life, yes, I can say I am invincible because I every in every situation, or even if
Hmm.
it is a negative situation or any situation, I just take it as an opportunity. So yes, I can say ultimately I am an invincible guy.
Invincible. That's like a sport. Yeah, that's how you need to be. And you can use the word scrupulous. Scrupulous means extremely honest. This is another synonym for the word honest. I'm just typing that word for you. This is the word. But if it's a tough word, you need not use it. Okay?
Mhm. But what does mean by that? Plus
Extremely honest. Very honest.
extremely honest. Oh,
Yeah, correct. Sorry, the spelling, I just typed the spelling wrong. It's scrupless. Okay, I've corrected the spelling. This is the right spelling. And you can use Benevolent. Have you come across
Benevolent.
benevolent? Hmm.
No, actually. No.
Okay. Benevolent means it's very kind and helpful. So if we are describing
Okay.
somebody very kind and helpful, we can say he's a benevolent man. Okay.
Okay. It is.
And
It can be used as an adjective. Huh?
yes,
Benevolent.
adjective. Correct. Yeah. Rest of the words are very simple, and some words are not in use these days. Like there's a word which is scepter, but scepter is not required. We need not actually discuss it. If you have seen in movies or in pictures, the kings and queens, they carry one long stick, right? When they walk, they carry one
Mm,
stick as it's for
mm.
pride. That's called as a scepter, but we don't have to learn these words because we don't use it in our daily life. But the words that I gave you, these words can be used in your daily life, daily
Okay.
conversation. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Definitely, I will use.
So Rakesh, yeah, like I told you, use one word for 2 to 3 days. You'll be able to remember it. Then choose a new word. In that way, you can increase your vocabulary.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes,
So
yes.
we have come
Correct.
to the end of this session, Rakesh. Any doubts or queries?
No, ma'am, I don't have any doubt. But it was
Benevolent.
it was a really benevolent session for me. Yes.
Okay.